Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abang. Today I will teach you how to make pancake. First, let's discuss first why I made this video. Many people suggest that I make a video about breakfast, and some people suggest that I make a video in English. So this video will be present in English. Then nonsense continues. Let's start. First of all, you need to prepare 100 gram flour, 3 gram baking powder, an egg, 30 gram sugar, 120 gram milk, and 10 gram oil. And you can start to make.
Step 1.
Mix egg and sugar in a bowl.
Step 2.
Set the flour into a large bowl.
Step 3.
Mix everything together.
Step 4.
Heat the pan, put it in the pan, and use the butter to make some round pancake.
Step 5.
Wait until the pancakes are turning brown on both sides. And you can enjoy pancake now. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, remember to subscribe, and this video is finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.